Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to add language in oppo K10 phone. Guys, you want to add any language, so you can add it. In this video guys, I will show you how to add. Let's see how to add language in oppo K10 phone. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you, if you're in my channel and you are watching video first time, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. And now let's start video. First of all, open your phone setting, then guys scroll it and guys come on system setting. Guys click on language, guys click on add a language. Which language guys you know about, guys only choose this language. Example goes guys, you can see this Hindi, and guys this Bengali, guys there are Gujarati language, guys Tamil language, Telugu language, guys Kannada language, Malayalam. Guys we have many types of language, you can add from here. Guys I know only about Hindi and English, so I will add Hindi language. And guys yes, guys you can see after the guys you can see language is add. Guys now everything is in Hindi in our oppo phone. You can see guys, you want to set your Hindi language, you can set like that. I hope friends you have understood how to set Hindi language in oppo K10 phone, and guys how to add language both of setting as I have told you. That's it guys, thanks for watching my video. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before guys please go and like and subscribe my channel. Bye.